Hi, this is Luke for Production Expert, and this is the palette from Mastertones. The palette is an Analogue-inspired polisher plugin designed to refine your mix. Now, I'm using it on a music mix, but the plugin does support multi-channel as well, so you get up to 7.1.4 if you're working in Atmos or other multi-channel formats. Here's my track without the palette. And this is with, and I'm going to cycle through the three different flavours: bright, dark and neutral. Starting off with bright. And dark. And neutral. Now off to the left we have the input and output levels, which are linkable, and at the top we have the level readouts as well, which are calibrated in dBFS. So if you have link enabled, then there's no chance of clipping the level in your DAW, even if you do need to risk the odd clip within the palette itself. And it is quite subtle, so there may be times where you do want to experiment with that. Let's give that a try. See what that sounds like bright. And dark. So just by linking the inputs and outputs and coaxing it into a little bit more saturation, you can hear what you're doing. You can hear that I've got the mix control set to 100% so that you can really hear what's happening with the palette. To find out more and to hear some audio examples, head over to the Production Expert blog.